Scene 1. Morning at the construction yard. Happy music. Benny hums while moving dirt. Narrator. This is Benny, the bright yellow excavator. He loves to build, dig, and play. Benny, good morning, world. Oh? Everything looks the same brown today. I wish I could see more colors. A magical paintbrush hops into view. Luna. Hello, Benny. I'm Luna, the paintbrush. I can show you the wonderful world of colors. Want to come on an adventure? Benny, wow. Yes, please. Scene 2. Ready. They travel to an apple orchard. Luna, look. Benny, red apples. Red is the color of energy and excitement. Benny, red, so shiny and bright, like my stop sign at work. Benny accidentally tips over a basket. Apples roll everywhere. He laughs and scoops them back. Scene 3. Blue. They arrive at a big blue lake. Mr. Cloud floats by. Mr. Cloud. Hello, Benny. This lake is blue, just like the sky. Blue feels calm and peaceful. Benny, blue makes me want to rest after a long day of digging. Scene 4. Green. They roll into a grassy field. Luna, here's green, the color of grass, leaves, and nature. Benny, green is fresh and full of life. It makes me feel strong. A butterfly lands on Benny's bucket. He smiles. Scene 5. Yellow. Sunshine beams down. Mr. Cloud. And look at you, Benny. You're yellow like the sun, bananas, and happy flowers. Benny! I shine bright like the sun. Scene 6. Colors mix. Suddenly, the wind blows. Paint buckets spill. Red, blue, yellow. Benny. Oh, no. The colors are mixing. Luna, wait, watch closely. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Red and blue make purple. That's how new colors are born, Benny. Amazing. Colors can team up like friends. Scene 7. Rainbow celebration. The sky clears. A rainbow stretches across the sky. Rainbow. Hello, Benny. You've discovered the magic of colors? Together, we make the world beautiful. Benny, thank you. Rainbow, I'll never see the world as plain again. Colors make everything brighter. Scene 8. Ending. Back at the construction yard, Benny paints colorful shapes on the ground with Luna. Narrator. And from that day on, Benny built not only with bricks and dirt, but also with the joy of colors. Happy music fade out. Out.